This practical application focuses on time charter equivalent. We will see how to do time charter equivalent calculations using this form, which is ready and has formulas already embedded in the sheet. There is another example with the actual calculations done on a spreadsheet showing all the maths, but this one is something that charterers or operators would use to calculate the time charter equivalent, and where they can just input information and arrive at the end to the time charter equivalent in this box. An example is given on the second sheet, which is related to tanker fixtures. We just want to illustrate here how all the data is embedded in the sheet. The example we have here is the same as the tutorial we had earlier. We have all the information. The first part is particulars of the voyage related to the ship. What is the size of the ship, the distance with the ship laden and with ballast, the sea margin, total distance, speed, daily running costs, and then we have the cargo particulars, information related to ports, fuel consumption, the type of fuel and consumption when the ship is sailing laden or in ballast, and finally we have the fuel costs. If we click on the form, you can see that it is linked with the information here. If any of the information changes, for example, if we say that this is 4 days instead of 2, the calculation will change accordingly, and it will affect the time charter equivalent at the end. This is the number that we are looking for. All the information is imported, and in the end, that is the number we get out of it. All the information in this form is straightforward. In the first part, we have information regarding the voyage, details about the distance, how cargo is calculated. We have cargo on board and the full weight of the ship. Then we have fuel information and consumption, and we have the voyage expenses, which is a result of all this information. And then this is inserted in the last calculation. As this is about tankers and world scale, we have this converter in world scale to time charter equivalent.